Are you tired of messy waxing sessions? Professional Brazilian waxing can be done easily at home. Let's learn the Pro Seal method for excellent, mess-free results. First, start by creating a clean zone. Use disposable draping materials to protect your space. This step ensures your towels and floors remain wax-free during the process. Next, check your wax consistency. It should drip slowly, similar to honey. If it drips too quickly, your wax is too hot, and it can create a mess. Always remember to test the temperature on your wrist. This simple step protects your skin from burns. Now, apply the wax in small, controlled sections. This helps you avoid overlaps and mistakes. Mapping your sections will keep the wax from getting stuck forever. Use the anchor technique. Hold your skin very taut while applying the wax. This technique ensures a smooth pull and minimizes discomfort. When pulling the strip, keep it parallel to your skin. This method helps prevent residue left behind after waxing. If any wax drips occur, don't panic. Use coconut or olive oil immediately. Never use water, as oil dissolves, stubborn wax drips quickly. After waxing, apply fragrance-free aloe vera. This soothes the skin and reduces redness after the session. Now you're ready to achieve a professional look at home. Subscribe to MTH Health for more efficient beauty tips.